My name is Rizky Firmansyah from Economic Development 2020 from Borneo University. I want to tell about the American inflation. United States economy data show that the inflation rate in February 2022 was 7.9% year on year. This percentage is the highest level of United States inflation in the last 40 years, aka since the 1982. The level is also higher than the January 2022 inflation rate of 7.5%. A number price increase triggers such as the cost of a gas line, staples, and housing. In the February report, it was not that fuel price in the United States was 6.6% from the previous month, while contributing almost a third of the increase in the Consumer Price Index or CPI. Staple price also increased 1% from the previous month, the largest since April 2020. Then, goods inflation also rose 13%, the largest since 1980. This figure includes the target annual increase for new car. For the figure include the largest annual increase for the new car and truck prices. The cost of service also increased 4.8% from a year ago, the largest since 1991. Property prices were also reported to have risen 0.5%. The February 2022 data illustrate the extent to which United States inflation tightened United States economic conditions before the Russian war boosted commodity price. As noted, Russia began military aggression from the late February. Economists expected February 2022 to be the peak of annual inflation, but the impact of the Russia-Ukraine conflict will only be felt on March data releases, which is considered much higher. For information, the data has exceeded the 2% of inflation target of the United States Federal Reserve. This achievement for the future strengthens expectation of an interest rate hike by the United States Federal this month. Economists predict the Fed will raise interest rates 7 times this year. Thai labor market conditions will also contribute to higher inflation, although monthly wage growth United States workers still silent in February. A separate report from the Labor Department on Thursday showed initial claim for state unemployment benefit increased by 11,000 to 227,000 as of March 5, 2022. It is of concern to investors how far inflation in the United States will ultimately limit the consumption of the citizen. This turn will drive United States on economic growth, which relies heavily on consumer spending. Furthermore, the CPI data can also be used as an indicator of how much United States Central Bank or Federal Reserve doing to bring inflation back to target of 2%. The surge in price over the past year or so has led the Fed to raise interest rate by a total of 75 basis points in the past 3 months. This policy expected will continue at the next Fed meeting. So that was what happened in American inflation, and thank you. Economists had previously expected the United States CPI to slow down in April compared to the previous month. This is a sign that March was the peak of inflation this year. Most of the decline in April inflation came from the energy component, in line with the economists' expectation that the price of crude oil, gas, and other energy commodities will decline after surging in March following the geopolitical crisis between Russia and Ukraine. The energy price index fell 2.7% in April compared to March after jumping 11% in the previous month. Within this category, the fuel oil index fell 5.8% and the gasoline index slumped 6.1%, and the energy commodities index lost 5.4%. So that's about the American inflation, and thank you.